Hey guys, I'm back and I'm doing a review of this. Now, um, I'm struggling with this video. The reason why I'm struggling is that I really wanted to like this product. Some more product reviews of products that I'm already using. I just decided to use this product right now because I was so excited. I had been looking at this for months, in fact, looking at this product for months, and I finally went ahead and decided to get it. So far, I give the product thumbs up on packaging, thumbs up on shipping and delivery. To me, thumbs up on fragrance, smell, ingredients is great. The actual the actual usage of the product, I feel is a little wanting, but because it's a product only for locks, I will definitely give it a full try before I pass any judgment. And of course, my judgment, what does my judgment mean? It's just something that for you, in case you want to purchase this, um, you can know what it's like before purchasing it. And like I said, I haven't said this, but I'm going to say that this video is not sponsored. This is my own honest opinion. I purchased this with my own money. I do not ask for the company to buy any of the products from me. I just purchased them on my own. And that's it. So stay tuned for my final thoughts. Product right here. This is the lightweight leave-in conditioner and shampoo. Well, I have tried it twice and I will continue to try it because I'm not wasting my money because this particular product cost a little bit. It was a little bit on the expensive side. I believe it's like 20 bucks per bottle or something like that. And so I really wanted to like it. It smells really good. I like the packaging. I like the fact that it got here in a reasonable amount of time. I think it was fulfilled by Amazon. I even like the consistency of the product and the way the product smells. However, I think this has given me a couple of things. This gave me a little build up. And so let me go back. Let me explain what I did. The first time I tried it as a shampoo, and I will insert some footage of me trying it as a shampoo, like a cream. And I was hoping for a little lather in the shower, but it did not lather, okay, at all. It's very creamy. It does smell good, but I felt like I used quite a bit of this in the shower for that one time. So I feel like it doesn't wash as much as condition, and it did not foam up the way I wanted it to. I felt like it didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do. Did it get my hair clean? Yes, but I felt like it wasn't giving what it should have gave, what the young people say now. And don't hate me, young people, for saying that and not sounding real cool. But anyway, that's the only way I can describe it. I wanted to like it, but it did not do for me what I wanted it to do. So I am passing it on to one of my daughters. She's going to try this and let me know her thoughts. She also has locks too, but her locks are not as mature as mine. Hers is at the 1.5 year stage. Mine is 3 years. And so this might do her a little bit different than me. Plus her hair texture is different. So we're going to give it the good old try. The second time I tried this, I tried it as a leave-in. I knew I was going to wash my hair, so I put it on my locks. And I hate to tell you that I do have some product buildup and spots. Do I worry about product buildup that much? No, because I wash my hair pretty much every week or every other week, so I don't go a long time without putting water to my hair. That being said, what I'm going to try to use this as my next thought, because waste not, want not. I don't like wasting products, and I like to give it a full try. I'm going to use this as a pre-poo, meaning prior to washing my hair. Sometimes I will put products on my hair, like a oil mixture with a rinse, something that I've made up, or a product like this, and let it soak in my hair for 30 to 40 minutes, and then I wash it to give my hair extra moisture. Sometimes I will soak my hair in a rice water, or a concoction that I made. If you want to see those concoctions, I actually have them posted in other videos, so check them out. I might post them in the info card or the end titles, where I've made products myself that I like to use as pre-poos. So I might try that. That's going to be my next try, is to try it as a pre-poo. That way I don't have to worry about the product buildup, and it can still do what it's supposed to do, which is to provide a little extra moisture. Okay. Now this product right here, I found that this product, I liked it. I liked how it smelled. I liked using it after my hair was washed. I used it, I washed my hair yesterday, and now it is almost completely dry. It's not fully dry, but I like the way this smells. I think this would be a great product for people who are just starting their locks, as a way to help tighten their locks and help it to lock. I just wanted to try it for myself just to see, but I did like this product. So I also did purchase two other products. I purchased the oil, and I also purchased the rose water. And I do have a separate video for those two products, so I will put those at the end cards so that you can see when I upload all of these videos. Overall, do I like the products? Yes. Would I repurchase this? Possibly not. I would probably repurchase the other three products. Since I did film the other video, the oil started to itch my scalp a little bit, but I am going to continue to try it. My hair and scalp gets very itchy after a week and a half, 2 weeks of not washing it. So that's why I wash my hair often, because I don't like an itchy scalp. So that could have been it. So I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt and continue to use the loc oil. But I love the smell of the loc oil, and I like that you get so much of the loc oil as well. So I hope this answers your question. The website and delivery was seamless. Everything delivered pretty quickly. And I ordered right in the middle of the holiday season. So I give them, kudos for getting the product to me in a timely fashion. So is this product for me necessarily? Maybe not, but it's not. I want to give an honest review so that other people may be able to use this. And like I said, if I can't always use it, I pass it on to somebody else that may be able to use it. And so that's what I did. So until next time, stay wookie.